Hi, good evening all. Greetings from Zillion Centre of Excellence. My name is Gajanan. So before I take you to the actual training program, uh, our training program name is Certified CI Leader. So before I take you to that training program, I would like to bring your attention to some of the important terminologies so that you will get an glimpse on what we are going to learn actually in the training program. So let us start with the basic terminology of any business. It may be manufacturing or service industry. Three words are very important. Very first word is G. We call it as growth. As an entrepreneur, my first requirement or expectation from my business is I should get ग्रोथ, जिसको हम हिंदी में वृद्धि, विकास या उत्कर्ष बोल सकते हैं. सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी इज प्रॉफिट. सो मैं अगर बिजनेस करता हूँ, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई शुड अर्न समथिंग, जिसको हम लाभ, नफा बोलते हैं, प्रॉफिट. एंड देन लास्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी इज स्टेबिलिटी, जिसको हम स्थिरता बोलते हैं. सो एज एंटरप्रेन्योर आई ऑलवेज carry three expectation out of my own business. That is, we call it as GPS: growth, profit, and stability. Now, in order to achieve this GPS: growth, profit, and stability, as a business uh, owner, I have stratified this GPS into again three segments. We call it as business excellence, operational excellence, and process excellence. Now, as a part of our training program, we are going to focus on operational excellence and some part of process excellence. So, what exactly is this business excellence, operational excellence, and process excellence? I'm going to give a brief on next slide. However, before that, I would like to bring your attention on some of the important terminologies related to operational excellence and process excellence. Starts with productivity, quality, cost, delivery, moral, and safety. These are the six elements. We call them as performance indicators of operational excellence model. In order to achieve this productivity, quality, cost, delivery, moral, and safety, four words are very important: speed, quality, response, and consistency. Now, in order to achieve this operational excellence and process excellence model, three words are important: that is knowledge, skill, and mindset. And this is what is we are going to learn in this 3 days training program. So going to next slide. I think something. Just give me a, yeah. So uh, I was talking on business excellence, operational excellence, and process excellence model. So focus of business excellence model is totally on the performance of whole business. So it focuses on achieving outstanding performance in all areas of business, aligning the entire organization towards common goal. So यहाँ धारणा ये है business excellence की कि आप कॉमन गोल की तरफ हर एक डिपार्टमेंट को, हर एक स्टेक होल्डर को लेके आओ. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द बिजनेस एक्सलेंस एज फार एज द फोकस कंसर्न. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट इज ऑपरेशनल एक्सलेंस, जिसका फोकस है, it mainly emphasize on the execution of operation in the most effective and efficient way. So these two words are very important, and in our next 3 days training program, we are going to focus more mainly on these two words. What is the meaning of effectiveness and what is the meaning of efficiency? With the goal of reducing waste, we are going to learn the important part of lean manufacturing, improving quality. We are going to learn zero defect quality strategies, and then we are also going to focus on more than 25 plus productivity improvement ideas. So this is all about operational excellence when it comes to describing on the focus part of. And then next is process excellence. The main focus is it concerned with the improving performance of specific process within the organization. You may take manufacturing process, may take supply chain, you may take customer service, you may take testing department. So it mainly focuses on the particular or specific process. So that's all about the brief of business excellence, operational excellence, and process excellence. Now, our main agenda for this 3 days training program is to focus on operational excellence and process excellence strategies. So, but before we move into what exactly I'm going to teach you on operational excellence and process excellence, I would like to bring your attention to few more terminologies, when I say process, process is always an interrelation and interaction of different activities. So what are those activities? Man carries certain activity, machine carries some activities. There is an interrelation and interaction of these different EMs with each other that is going to convert desired level of output as an outcome. It may be quantity, it may be quality, it may be profit or loss, it may be information, it may be effectiveness or efficiency at each process. So there are different interpretation or ways to explain this process model. But as far as for this training program, these are the terminologies we are going to discuss in detail. So man, machine, method, material, mother nature, we call it as milieu or environment. Then measurement, management. Here management is not top management or body sitting or governing entire organization. Management for us in this training program is the person who is tracking, monitoring, and coordinating the processes. We call him as management. He may be supervisor, he may be manager, or he may be a line leader. And then next M is money. And at large, we never talk on this particular input, and that is psychology. I'm going to talk more on the final day about the psychology, what kind of psychology is required in order to achieve the process or operational excellency. Now moving to next slide. Now what we have decided is to get the profit, because that is my one of the requirement from my business, that I should get growth, profit, and over a period of time stability. So now for this particular program, we are focusing on profit, how to achieve profit, desired level of profit using this operational excellence and process excellence model. In order to get the outcomes, we are blending lean manufacturing techniques, TPM, we call it as total productive maintenance, total quality management, and Six Sigma at very basic level. So you can say the training program is a blend of lean, TPM, TQM, Six Sigma tools. So what exactly we are going to learn in these 3 days and 10 hours recorded session? So key learning are, we are going to focus on the definition of quality which is accepted to whole world. And then we are going to talk on cost of poor quality. Till now, we may be listening about 5S, 6S, which is a fundamental of any continual improvement program, but I'm going to uh, add more 6S to the 5S. Those are existed or will learn. So total 11S we are going to learn. Then we are going to talk on manufacturing waste. Then TPM, a main slogan is zero defect, zero accident, and zero breakdown. So how to achieve this or to aim towards, we are going to discuss. Then we are going to talk on cost reduction program. We are going to talk on zero defect quality program. We are going to talk on productivity improvement strategies. So more than 250 plus actions we are going to learn in this 3 days program, plus 10 hours recorded session. Other than that, there are certain policies required in order to achieve this operational and post-process excellence. So we are going to focus on those particular HR policies related to achievement of this particular module. And then if time permit, we will be focusing on or going to learn how to establish Kaizen culture at your organization. You may be MSME, you may be corporate, whatever may be the scope and complexity of your organization. There are certain methods to establish Kaizen culture. So we are going to talk more on the ecosystem of Kaizen culture. So this is all about the learnings, and this is the program flyer that you are seeing on social media and different WhatsApp groups. So heading is certified CI leader, lean and TPM synergy, हम जिसको समन्वय बोलते हैं. So it, as I said, it is a blend of lean, TPM, Six Sigma, and TQM. So this is what is the heading is. Certified CI means continual improvement leader. Our aim or vision, you can say, is to certify at least one supervisor or manager at each MSME under our MSME transformation initiative. So it is a great opportunity, learning opportunity for junior and middle management from manufacturing and service industry. As a part of Independence Day offer, the program worth 1,50,000, which I normally charge as a fee for corporates on request, and as a part of our policy of MSME transformation program, we are going to charge 4,999 for this 3 days program, plus 10 hours recorded session, plus 1 hour, 1 month's online support, WhatsApp support we are going to give you. After successful completion of this program, we are going to issue a nationally recognized certificate to you. Plus, we are going to support you to do minimum 5 Kaizens, one small group activity, and minimum one Lean Six Sigma project at your organization. So this was just a demo and a kind of information that I wanted to tell you through this small session. So what is the outcome, comparative outcome that you are going to get if you compare such programs, such other programs? So main thing is you are going to get 200 plus Kaizen themes, 25 plus zero defect actions, 10 plus HR policies, 100 plus cost reduction actions, 25 plus productivity improvement, and all these in just 20 hours. So you can think of the way it is designed, the program is designed. The date is 23rd, 24th, and 25th August, time 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It is live session. It is not a recorded session. I'm going to answer on your questions, and after the live session, I'm going to give you all the recorded session. In case if you miss any of the session, then you should have the backup of the learning. Plus, I'm going to give you 10 hours recorded session plus 20 days online support. So this is all about the training program. Now moving towards the last part of my this small session. This is all about program structure. So as I said, this total program is a blend of Lean Six Sigma, TPM, TQM, and industrial engineering strategies, or you can say philosophies. So it is all about the continual improvement that you are going to do after this program in your organization in an effective and efficient way. So these two words are important. So all sessions are live sessions. Learn what actually that actually works for you, basically, because if you open Google social media, there are different definitions, terminologies, and sessions included under this operational and process excellence model. So not necessarily you should learn all the things on same day. There are methods to achieve this operational and process excellence model. So at this moment, as a base program, you should learn what actually is going to work for you and for your organization. And that is the thing we have consolidated in this program. So learning is more or less like DIY, do it yourself. After each session, I'm going to give you a few exercises. You have to complete those exercises and send it to us for evaluation. Then second thing of learning is DWY. We do certain things with you. We take your problem statement of your organization and will support you to resolve that or to get solution to your problem statement. And third important thing out of learning is you are going to learn how to implement these particular strategies. It's 30% theory, you can send 70% really the actionable strategies. Get 50 plus ebooks on continual improvement post this program, and you will get lifetime access to rupees 1,50,000 worth training material after completion of this program. So as I said, regular fee for MSME on online model is 60,000 plus GST. Now, as a part of our MSME transformation program, I'm charging 4,999 plus GST. In case of any commercial issues related to paying this particular amount also in single installment, I'm giving one more option to MSME professionals. You can pay 2,999 now and 1,000 in 2 months installments. I think uh, this is all about what I wanted to share with you on this particular program. To see you on 23rd August evening 7 p.m. Thank you.